Something I've been talking about in recent videos has been the importance of being able to think conceptually and build simple, nonsensical models. A lot of times I'm asked, Oz, can you look at my spreadsheet? Sure, because I want to help, right? Because somebody living with crap data is like somebody living with roaches. No, if you can help get roaches out of somebody's house, you would, wouldn't you? You would. Yes, you dignified people do that for each other. I say, okay, send over the spreadsheet. And when I get the email, it looks like this: big blocks of text, technical terminology that I don't understand, a lot of stuff going on that I really can't penetrate so easily. And then notice there are some steps. Steps 1 through 5 are in there. What I usually do is I highlight the whole email, put it in Word, get those bullet points out, and start to make sense of what's going on in all this text. And then I look at the spreadsheet, and this big old octopus spreadsheet with a lot of tabs on the bottom, colors, formulas, and it's like the whole octopus, all the tentacles, the eyes, the ink, the octopus's mind, everything is here. And between that and the email, it breaks my heart sometimes because I know that somebody wants some help, and I am qualified to help, but I'm working to understand what's needed. And I got this octopus squirming on my desk. One time I was on the phone talking with somebody about his spreadsheet. I'm looking at the spreadsheet and I'm scrolling around and I'm looking at the formulas and there's colors and looking to see what's tied to what. And he's describing things to me. And we were both getting frustrated. He knew that I had answers, but I didn't understand the language, and finally I had to say, I'm not in your industry. I'm sure that if we could get to the concept, I could help you, but I don't understand these project codes and things. The frustration went on for a little while longer, and then finally he said, okay, let's think about it this way. What if I've got 4 kids and I give them $500 each, and I tell them you've got 4 different categories that you can spend this money in? This kid can spend $100 on clothes, no more than that. I would then like to take their transactions and find out how they're doing overall with the whole $500 and how they're doing in each category. That's what I want. Oh my gosh. All right. So we're comparing budgeted versus actual. That's the piece of the octopus that we're after. That's the piece. And right there on the phone, I started building that model. It took almost no time to create this simple model to get a solution for this guy I was trying to help. And fortunately, he had the presence to break it down into something that anybody would understand. All right, so be conceptual and make nonsensical models. Right, see you in the next video.